Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on feature use tags to find and organize photos in OneDrive. So how to turn on feature use tags to find and organize photos in OneDrive. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this setting menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the option menu. Now here you will enter the setting menu. Here there are lots of options. Tap the photos menu. Now here there are several options that you can change. On use tags to find and organize photos. Tap to activate it. Activating this feature allows users to activate the use of tags to search and organize photos in OneDrive more easily. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on feature use tags to find and organize photos in OneDrive. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.